If you think drawing a black box over a social security number with software, changing text to white, or using Sharpies on printed documents like it's the 40s protects your data, then you are risking a massive security breach. In fact, those hidden numbers can still be highlighted, copied, and pasted right out of your document in less than 2 seconds. Welcome back. If you manage FOIA requests, legal discovery, or patient health records, you know that keeping sensitive information secure is priorities 1, 2, and 3. Today, we're unpacking exactly how to redact a PDF properly, the critical difference between masking and true redaction, and how to protect your organization from millions of dollars in compliance fines. Stick around to the end, because we're going to take a look at how AI automation is completely replacing tedious manual workflows. True redaction is the removal of sensitive data from every single layer of a PDF. And once applied, that data is gone from the working copy and can't be recovered by unauthorized individuals or groups. Most organizations get in trouble because they only use visual overlays rather than the dedicated PDF redaction software. Another massive mistake is skipping optical character recognition on scanned image-based PDFs. If your software can't read the text inside an image, then it won't find the sensitive details, leaving your document vulnerable. And furthermore, if you forget to sanitize your document to clear out the hidden metadata, comments, or revision history, then you are leaving a digital breadcrumb trail behind. So why are we talking about this right now? Probably because the legal and financial stakes have never been higher. And according to research from the Identity Theft Resource Center, a staggering 95% of data breaches in 2024 were caused by human error. Poorly redacted files and overlooked metadata are exactly the kind to expose these liabilities. And regulators are not playing around. In Europe, GDPR compliance frameworks saw over 1.2 billion with a B euros in fines in 2025 alone. And right here in the US, comprehensive consumer privacy laws have rapidly expanded across 19 states as of 2026. So whether you handle PII like social security numbers, protected health information under HIPAA, or trade secrets during legal discovery, improper redaction poses a devastating financial and legal liability. So, knowing these massive risks, how should your team actually handle the workload? See, there are 3 distinct approaches to choosing how to redact a PDF. Let's break them down. But before we look at those 3 methods, if you're finding this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more expert insights into AI redaction and data compliance. The first approach is manual redaction, either by hand or with basic PDF editors. This is fine if you're managing a very small batch of documents every once in a while, or if you just have a few common identifiers. But remember, you still need the proper software to make sure all metadata is sanitized from the document. The second approach is page level and pattern-based redaction. This is faster and far more consistent for mid-sized document sets. The software automatically scans your files to remove specific, highly predictable data patterns simultaneously. The third, most robust approach is AI-powered automatic redaction. If your organization processes massive volumes of data, from thousands of complex documents or unstructured files, then AI is the gold standard. Advanced machine learning models can detect sensitive context even if the phrasing and formatting vary wildly across pages, while generating a full compliance audit trail automatically. A true compliance-ready platform must permanently delete data, process high-volume bulk files, automatically sanitize metadata, feature built-in OCR, and provide an immutable audit trail. If you want to eliminate human error entirely and modernize your operations, head on over to caseguard.com right now to book a personalized demo. Stop relying on visual masking fixes that put your organization at risk. Secure your data the right way and check out the link in our description box below. We'll see you in the next video.